Look at me, I'm a blogger. My hair is still wet. Hello, how are you? Friends, it's been forever. I was talking to my friend today, and she was like, you should totally just like vlog, because I'm going to Stevers. I'm going thrift shopping, so come along and thrift shop with me. There's a lot of cars here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be confident enough to actually film everything because I'm just like very shy and I'm very awkward, and you know, but oh, sorry, I'm just moving that. There we go. Oh, now you're crooked. But I'm gonna go in there. I made a list because I've been watching other people thrift shop. And so my list consists of, my son has not told me that none of his clothes have been fitting him. And so I am looking for shorts for him. And I'm looking for maybe some kind of pants for him, because right now pants are like 36 bucks and I'm on an extremely tight budget. So if I can find something for super cheap, then thrifting is always good. I am looking for, I'm in the middle of doing a makeover for my daughter's room, so anything that could be done in there, a makeover in my bathroom. So stay tuned for these videos because they are coming up soon. And I've been doing like a lot of DIYs, so I'm looking for summer, spring clothes for my kiddos, for me. Maybe some cute purses, like a spring purse, because I don't really have purses. I have this one. I've had this bag for like 6 years. Yeah, like 6-7 years. I hardly ever carry a purse with me. It's usually just like a mini backpack or something, but as of right now, I'm looking for something like that. Maybe some shoes. My daughter is heading into like the alternative scene, so maybe like some cool shirts for her or something. I always love picture frames. I always love mirrors. Like I said, anything I can really DIY right now, because right now I'm on medical leave, and then I go back in about a week and a half. I finally go back, and they're only putting me on schedule, even though I'm full-time. They're putting me on for 16 hours a week. So I'm gonna need stuff to do while I'm there. So I got my budget. It's a rainy day budget, things I've just been saving up for here and there the past couple of months, you know. And then yeah, I'm not trying to blow it all, but I'm trying to figure stuff out. So fingers crossed we find stuff, right? I keep looking up there because I want to make sure that I'm in frame, but I'm looking at you because I know you're there. Okay, so gonna head on in. Wish me luck. Alright, so I just wanted to show you what I got. I didn't get a lot of stuff. I was hoping to do some thrift flips, but I could definitely do some in the house. So I got this basket. Say that it was really cute. $3.99 basket. I'm gonna probably put this in my bathroom. Put like towels or something in it. And then I got this. This was $3.99. And it is Beetlejuice. And it's a light. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah, I don't. It's really bad. I can't see it on the thing.
Can you see it?
On the. A little in that corner, but.
I just think it's awesome. Beetlejuice. I love Beetlejuice. But it's a light. Here's another. Woohoo. I don't even know where this would come from, but this is adorable. Alright, now most of everything that I got were for my kids because they need spring clothes, but I got some really good pants for my daughter. Sure, this is for you.
I guess I'm to show you.
What is that?
It's a dog.
Okay.
It's headbanging.
And I got these from my son. Now, most of them were about $9, so $8.49. These are Echo Unlimited. See? And I got these for my son. These were $4.49.
Those are huge.
They are a 34, so I don't know if they're gonna fit him or not. These black, $8.49. These are Dickies, so like a relaxed fit. I got leather pants, leather shorts for my daughter.
I'm gonna try them on and get stuck.
And they actually have tickets. Like they're brand new, never worn.
Do you want me to try them on?
Yes, try them on. I also got these for her. I thought these were really cute. They were small and they're stretchy.
Those are cute.
I got this shirt. It's just like a simple shirt, but you wear it with like a sports bra or a tube top underneath it. So just a regular black and white shirt. It was $2.99. This one right here is just a cute little black shirt. This one was $1.99. I got a pair of shorts for myself. I don't know if they're gonna fit or not, but I have no summer clothes. So those were like $7. This is actually, it says that it was shorts, but I'm pretty sure this is a bathing suit because of the way that the pockets are lined. It's Tony Hawk, but I just thought these were really cute. And then I got him a pair of pants. Just regular black pants. I know everything is black because that's all my family wears. Here's a shirt. This one was $7.49. I just thought that was pretty cool. These ones right here have like little roses, faded roses on them. So I just like the texture of them. They're super faded. Put these in for my daughter. And then I got a shower curtain. And it is Up. It's like one of my favorite movies, guys. I got this for the bathroom. I'm gonna end up remodeling the bathroom, but for right now we like don't really have a shower curtain or anything like that, so I'm just gonna throw that in there for now. And it's cute, it's fun, something for the summer. We'll just put it in there for right now, and then we'll switch it out in a couple months. So that's every single thing that I got. The total was like $100, but because I go to Savers and I have like a phone number with them, because I shop there a lot, I actually was able to get like a discount. And so everything came to $82 and some odd cents, so 83 bucks. And that included buying a bag, which the bag was like 10 cents, I believe. That's everything that we got. I wanted them to have like furniture or, you know, stuff like that, but they didn't have anything. So I might go in a couple of days just to see if I can find anything else. Maybe try like Salvation Army. Salvation Army is really good. I got a 3-piece bedroom set, like 2 dressers and a nightstand for 75 bucks, so $25 each piece. And then I got this couch that I'm sitting on right now for $100 bucks, and it comes apart. It's like one of those at-home couches, which were, I think it was like $600 or $700 because I wanted one just like this. And so I was able to get this for $100, which it came apart. It fit into my house. Like, that's my characteristics or my qualifications for what I was looking for. So I have a couple not hauls, but a couple of room decorating and stuff like that. I've been having furniture that I've had for like a year, and it's just been like sitting places because I figured that I was gonna move. So those room makeovers are gonna be coming up soon because I am finally getting this stuff out. I'm finally gonna be putting my stuff together because I had to sign a lease, so I'm here for another year. So I might as well, instead of holding on to everything and keeping everything in boxes, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this a home. So hopefully I'll be able to do another thrift with me soon, but until now, that is what I got. And I was able to get a lot of shorts for my kids, which is what they needed right now. So I'm excited about that. I wish there was more, but that was it. So hope that you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for coming with me on my first, you know, thrift shop with me and mini haul. All right, so I will see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.